Hi everyone, and welcome back to another construction update here at LaView for the month of October. Well, wow, what a difference a month can make. We have transitioned and the momentum has shifted into the main structure itself. Now with the excavators off site, we've had the opportunity to complete the basement slab and the podium level works. Love the opportunity to take you through the site. Let's go check it out. This month we've seen some major progress. The basement works have now wrapped up, with the main slab fully prepped and poured, officially completing all works below ground. Blockwork and the access ramp into the secured car park have also been poured and finished, while the columns and lift core now extend right through to the podium level. The podium slab forming the entry, foyer and residence 1 has been completed. We've craned in the rainwater irrigation tanks and the scaffolding is being erected. All block work for the next level is on site and staged, ready to go. Looking ahead over the next couple of months, we'll expect to see stripping of formwork and backpropping where required, following the completion of the podium pour. Blockwork rising through level 1, marking the start of the above ground structure. Ongoing structural works as we build vertical from the podium level. Continued facade and services preparation as scaffolding progresses around the envelope of the building. Now that we're out of ground, we expect construction to progress at a much more rapid pace. And finally, a huge milestone. LaView has officially launched to market. We've received incredible interest through our Coming Soon campaign and the project launch, with one of the 6 homes already secured under contract. That means just 5 remain. If you'd like to book a private appointment or visit the display, please reach out to our sales team. We'd love the opportunity to show you through. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you next month for more progress on LaView, Balmoral.